In the dim corridors of American history, few agencies have cast as long and enigmatic a shadow as the Central Intelligence Agency. Yet the origins of this institution, now synonymous with covert action and espionage, are rooted not in secrecy for its own sake, but in the urgent lessons of war and the shifting tides of global power. To understand how the Central Intelligence Agency came to be, one must look back to a world at war and to the United States as it grappled with the consequences of intelligence failure and the need for a new approach to national security. Before the United States entered World War II, its intelligence efforts were fragmented and scattered among various military and diplomatic offices. This lack of coordination left the nation vulnerable, as the surprise attack on Pearl Harbor so painfully demonstrated. In the wake of that disaster, President Franklin Roosevelt recognized the need for a centralized body to coordinate the gathering and analysis of intelligence as well as the conduct of covert operations. Thus, in 1942, the Office of Strategic Services, known as the OSS, was born. The OSS holds a unique place as the first centralized civilian intelligence agency in American history. Led by William J. Donovan, the OSS was tasked with a sweeping mandate: espionage, propaganda, subversion, and post-war planning. It brought together research, analysis, covert operations, counterintelligence, and technical development in a single organization. This was a radical experiment, blending civilian and military expertise to wage a war not just of armies, but of information and influence. The OSS grew rapidly, employing over 13,000 people by the end of the war, and operated behind enemy lines in Europe and Asia, gathering crucial intelligence and carrying out sabotage missions. But the OSS was intended as a temporary wartime measure. When the guns fell silent in 1945, the agency was dissolved, its functions scattered among successor organizations. Some of its personnel and activities were absorbed by the Strategic